Today we have a ZAM monitoring ZAM installation instruction. We have this device, fire alarm system. This is for beam detector. This is for the beam detector. Here you can see this is one is a emitter and one there is receiver. There is a two devices between. If there is some smoke or something, it will give us alarm. So let's go unboxing this device and we will check what is the connection and how to install. Let's see. Okay. First of all we have here connection. This one you can see, this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have here 1 and 2. We have a 24 volt. This is the positive wire and this is negative wire, 1 and 2. And this is the ID net. This is positive and negative. What is the ID net? This is the loop is coming from the all devices. This is the loop. 24 volt we are getting from external, not from the loop, not from anything, from external. Even you can take from the fire alarm panel, FSCP. Otherwise, if you want external 24 volt DC, this one, 1 and 2, and this is loop. And here we will see zone power. If we need the power from here to another device, like device to device, we can connect here. We are giving the 24 volt and we can take the, see, positive and negative. Don't forget to confuse. This is the DC. Positive is negative. Positive to positive, negative to negative. If you will make it wrong, it will be short. Plus, this is the important thing, IDC plus, IDC negative, positive and negative. This is going toward one beam detector and beam detector I will show you where we need to go. This is beam detector, connection 7 and 8, positive and negative. And while I will do the connection for the beam detector, I will also show you. So for this one, for time being, I need 24 volt. This is loop and this is going toward the beam detector, and 24 volt and this one beam detector. Two cable will go there for the beam detector, and another one, this is for the emitter. For the receiver, only need 24 volt. This is all connection here, and plus here, if you will go here, this is the deep switch is like that. You can see here. In next video I will show you how to numbering of this from C1 2 3. One second. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in next video I will show you how to for the numbering of each device and fire alarm system.